Hey everybody, this is Brendan Fox from the Exercise Therapy Association, and I'm here to briefly tell you about the exercise therapy system. So the exercise therapy system is a system that helps fill the need of the tools that we're not necessarily given to succeed with our clients. So first of all, we give you mental toughness tools to help coach your clients in good form and thinking and coach yourself. And the reason is that we find about 80% of success is mental. People will just accept a low standard, or they'll have self-doubt, or they'll give themselves permission to quit. And we need to be effective at coaching people how to think with good form in order to get them to outwardly have good form in consistency with their exercise routine. The other thing we do is we provide broad assessments to collect information to better understand your client. Then we have a series of breakout assessments that you can use to deep dive on any areas of concern that might have been identified in the general assessment. So if you found some foot and ankle problems, well, now you can go into our foot and ankle breakout assessments, and you're testing just about everything in the foot and ankle. Then we have a whole series of corrective exercise recipes that you can apply, and this is determined through your assessments. We're going to tell you, based on your assessment findings, exactly what corrective recipe to try out. After that, you're going to have some programming solutions. How do you prescribe an exercise routine for this client based on the findings? And we always use after testing to close the feedback loop to make sure, through experience, that what we're going to do is actually going to help that client in this particular instance. It's very common in our industry for people to just blindly prescribe stuff and believe it's going to help. At the Exercise Therapy Association, we test it out to make sure. We use truth through experience. This system is here to help you be the best trainer you can be and get even better results and understand things on a deeper level. It's going to help you with the broken clients, and maybe you're broken yourself. It'll help you with the older and aging population, or anybody in general. You're going to have a toolbox that's going to give you handouts you can use right away, and it's going to help you grow your business, build up your reputation. You'll be able to use these tools in consultations. You'll be able to use it with your current clients to create raving fans. At the Exercise Therapy Association, we're here to help you bring out your best.